Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you. And please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. So this morning I woke up to an email from Bath and Body Works that says all body wash and shower gels are $4.95 a piece. Limit 20 per person. And I'm like, okay, so this is a great time to stock up on some shower gels and body washes. And my mind immediately went to aromatherapy because, aromatherapy doesn't go on sale that often. Lately it has, but usually they don't have sales on aromatherapy that often. So whenever they do, I try to pick up a few things that I really love. And then while I was there, surprise, they had some of the new Christmas 2020 shower gels, so I can't wait to show you those. Let's just go ahead and start with aromatherapy. So I picked up stress relief, eucalyptus, and tea. And you guys, I freaking love this one so much. I have this in the body lotion, the hand soap, and the hand sanitizer, and it's eucalyptus and tea. Oh, it smells so amazing. So it says, this fast foaming body wash with conditioning aloe and bamboo extract gently cleanses to leave skin clean without over drying, clears the mind, calms feelings of uncertainty. And this is so like refreshing and uplifting. And it smells just so clean and fresh. I love the eucalyptus, but the tea note, oh my gosh, that combination is just enchanting to me. I don't know what it is, but oh, I love this so much. You guys comment and let me know if I'm the only person that loves this, because I freaking love this. I have it in just about everything, and that's how it's going to stay because I love it. That is eucalyptus and tea. Next, I picked up, as part of the sleep line, California lavender, sage, and geranium. And this is what the beautiful label looks like. I love the gradient shading on that. It's so pretty. So this blend of essential oils with soothing aroma features sage, geranium, and Pacific Coast lavender harvested from Northern California. This body wash leaves skin feeling soft, clean, and refreshed. And this inspires tranquility, promotes mental balance, and soothes the mind. Let's see. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, it's very like, oh my gosh. Like you get the lavender and the sage. This is beautiful. I really, really like this one. It's relaxing, but it's bright at the same time. I really like this, so I'm glad that I picked that up. These are normally $13.50, so $4.95 score. Next, I picked up Sleep Lavender and Vanilla, and this is what the beautiful lavender colored label looks like. And this one is just lavender and vanilla. So lavender inspires tranquility, and vanilla calms the mind to encourage relaxation. And I would have to agree, because whenever I'm like in the mood to be comforted and just relax and just kind of chill, I usually end up warming some of my vanilla based wax. So I agree with that. And this is just, it's beautiful. The combination, it's lavender and vanilla. Very simple, extremely sweet. It's just lovely. I love this. I've been using this for over a decade. I don't even know how long I've been using this. And this is just one that I always go back to. I take it for granted. I don't pick it up every time I go into the store, but I always go back to this. That is Sleep, Lavender, and Vanilla. And then I picked up Blueberry because I love blueberry. This is just like fresh blueberries and vanilla. Oh, it's so sweet. Very sweet and a little bit tart. And I love it. I hope that Bath & Body Works brings this back as part of the signature collection, because I can't get enough of this. I have so many body sprays and body creams. Oh, it smells so beautiful. I love that. I love anything blueberry too. So now on to the Christmas collection. And look, they had the holiday bags in there too. So first I picked up Twisted Peppermint. And I'm loving the packaging on this one this year. I love that it's not red, that it's hot pink. It's very pretty. I love this. So the fragrance notes are cool peppermint, sugared snow, vanilla buttercream, and fresh balsam. I didn't know there was balsam in this. And I don't get balsam. I get peppermint. I get a sugary candy-like peppermint. And I guess the sugary notes coming from the vanilla buttercream. But yeah, I like that. Twisted Peppermint is not one of my favorites, but I mean, it's peppermint and it's okay. And I think it'll be really nice in the shower gel too. So I was happy to get that. Then I picked up Vanilla Bean Noel. And this, look at all that green. Just beautiful. The packaging is really lovely this year, I must say. So the fragrance notes are fresh vanilla bean, sugar cookies, warm caramel, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. And this Vanilla Bean Noel is vanilla bean, obviously. But it's like caramel. So you get like that rich caramel note. It's very decadent. So I think I'll enjoy this in the shower gel. So that is Vanilla Bean Noel. This is a Bath & Body Works classic. As is Winter Candy Apple. This is one of my faves. So here's the packaging. Very red with the snow in the background and the buck and the fawn. So the fragrance notes are candy red apple, winter rose petals, candied orange, maple leaf, and fresh cinnamon. So I don't get any cinnamon. I get a rich, tart, candy-like apple scent. Very tart, very sweet. Rose petals. I don't get cinnamon. I don't get rose petals. And maple leaf, perhaps, because it is sweet as well. So that may be the maple leaf. But yeah, I love this. So I have a mini size or travel size body spray that I'm almost out of. So I can't wait to get more of that. So that is Winter Candy Apple. So you guys, let me know what you picked up. I always love to know that you guys stop by my channel. And let me know if you think I'm crazy for loving eucalyptus and tea. Because I'm obsessed with that one. I love it so much. But thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. I really appreciate it. Oh, and I want to give you the code too, just in case if you didn't get the email. The online code is CLEANSE. That's CLEANSE, CLEANSE. And then the in-store number is 7823-50495. And they say that the limit is 20. So I hope that helps. And thank you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.